Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload files to Proton Drive in 2026. So if you want to store your documents, photos, or important files safely in the cloud, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and log into your Proton Drive account. Once you're inside, you'll see your main dashboard. Next, click the Upload button on your dashboard. This is where you can start adding files from your device. Now choose the files you want to upload. You can select documents, images, videos, or any other supported file types. Next, click Open or Upload, and your files will start uploading to Proton Drive automatically. If you want to stay organized, you can create a folder before or after uploading your files. This helps keep everything structured and easy to find. Now wait for the upload to finish. Once it's done, your files will appear in your Proton Drive storage list. Finally, you can open, download, or share your files anytime from any device, as long as you're logged into your account. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded files to Proton Drive. Now your data is safely stored in the cloud and accessible whenever you need it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.